Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all one of my favorite recipes, and it's for Chinese style pepper wings, also known as smothered pepper wings. So if you guys would like to see how to make this, keep watching. This was also the recipe that I did on my Instagram live about 2 weeks ago, and I do these Instagram lives now ever so often, so follow me on Instagram to find out when it's my next live. So here I have my chicken or my wings, and I'm adding in salt, white pepper and Chinese seasoning. If you don't have white pepper, the Chinese seasoning contains white pepper, so don't worry if you don't have it. And I also have a recipe for Chinese seasoning, so I'll link that in the description box. In goes light soy sauce. If you're using a dark soy sauce, I suggest using 1/4 teaspoon. In goes sesame oil, and now we're going to massage that into the chicken. If you had leftover Chinese style chicken, or you want to purchase Chinese style chicken for this recipe, of course you can do that. Once it's finished mixed in all of the seasonings, you're going to cover it and marinate for a couple of hours in your refrigerator, after which we'll put up our oil. Here I have my plain flour. You don't need to season the flour because our smothered sauce is going to have all of the flavors you need. And we're going to lightly dredge our chicken pieces in the flour, shake off any excess, and we're going to fry this on a medium heat for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now it depends. If your chicken pieces are bigger, it can take up to 15 minutes. If the wings are bigger, if you're using leg and thigh, it's going to take longer. So you have to know how big your pieces are and average the time. So I'm going to fry these until they're golden brown and crisp on the outside. And if you wanted to use cornstarch instead of plain flour, you can. It will give you a crunchier texture. I find with corn flour it doesn't get as golden as it would with flour. But you can do a mixture also if you want, half flour, half cornstarch. Once your wings are cooked and they're golden brown, you're going to take them out and place them on some paper towels to allow all of the excess oil to drain. Once all of your pieces are finished frying, set it aside. Let's make our sauce. We're starting in our skillet over a medium-low heat with 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, or you can use vegetable oil. In goes my ginger and garlic, and you want to saute this on a low heat so that the fragrance and the flavors comes out, and you don't want to burn it. So allow that to go for about a minute, after which you'll add in your tomato ketchup. I love to use tomato ketchup for this, but if you wanted to use tomato paste you can, but it's not going to be the same. You have to use the ketchup. In goes some sugar, which is optional, and Chinese seasoning salt. Again, I have a recipe. If you cannot find it, I will link it in the description box. In goes light soy sauce. If you're using a dark soy sauce, use 1/4 teaspoon. And pepper sauce. You want to use whatever pepper sauce you like. I like this one. It's a nice homemade pepper sauce, so it still maintains that fresh, nice taste. And we're going to mix that in. We're going to allow this to cook for about 2 minutes. The sauce will start to thicken, and it will get richer as it's cooking. After which you'll go in with some pimentos sliced. You can add some habanero or scotch bonnet sliced if you like. In goes sliced onions and sliced sweet peppers. And I'm just going to toss that in the sauce, and I'm not going to allow it to cook long. If you like your veggies softer, cook it a little longer according to how you would like it. I like my veggies tender, crisp. Now all I'm going to do is add in the chicken and toss. And once the chicken pieces have been coated in that delicious sauce, all you have to do is go ahead and finish the recipe by garnishing it with some chopped scallions. Now how amazing does this look? Now you would want to taste it and make sure that you have enough seasonings on there. Make sure that it's very flavorful. You may need to add some salt if you want. You can add that at this point while it's hot. And all you have to do is serve. How delicious does this look? I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Make sure and follow me on Instagram, where I will be doing 2 lives every month, maybe more. I may surprise you. and I will announce it before I do the lives. So thank you all so much for watching. If you make this, comment down below and let me know. Thank you all again. Have a safe day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.